Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Volvo C30 in Forza Horizon 5. The Volvo C30 is a highly sought-after vehicle, often appearing as a reward in the festival playlist. To acquire it, you must complete specific challenges during the series when it's featured. Keep a close eye on the seasonal events and objectives, as these are your primary way to earn this unique car directly and quickly. While many exclusive vehicles are part of the car pass, the Volvo C30 was not included in that bundle. This means you couldn't simply purchase it. Instead, its availability was tied to specific in-game events or seasonal challenges. Always check the Forza Shop or Festival playlist menus for current and upcoming opportunities to earn rare cars like the C30. If you miss the festival playlist, the auction house is your best bet. Players who earn the C30 often sell it there. Search frequently, as listings can appear and disappear quickly. Be ready to bid competitively, as popular cars like this can fetch high prices, sometimes exceeding 1,000,000 credits. Patience and persistence are key to securing your Volvo C30. Stay informed by joining Forza Horizon 5 communities online. They often share news about upcoming car rewards. Always keep a good amount of in-game credits saved, perhaps 500, 000 to 1,000,000, for those unexpected auction house opportunities. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Happy racing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.